Good morning, students. So today we'll see one more problem on hexagonal lamina. A lamina resting on HP. Let us see that problem. So I'll take this problem. A regular hexagonal lamina of size 30 mm is lying in such a way that one of its sides touches both the reference plane. If the lamina makes 60° with HP, draw the projections of the lamina. See, in this problem, the type of lamina is hexagonal lamina and is given side or edge length is 30 mm, 30 mm, and he says that one of its side touches both the reference planes. See, reference planes are vertical plane and horizontal plane. VP and HP are the reference planes. It is touches both the reference planes, means edge touches both HP as well as VP. So we need to show this condition in the final position. So let us, and also lamina makes 60° with HP. See, in the initial portion, we need to show edge resting on HP. Then in the second portion, we need to tilt the lamina at an angle of 60° with HP. And in the third portion, we need to show the edge should be on VP. So this is the condition we need to show. So let us draw XY, select a line and line thickness is 0.10 mm. So let's draw XY line. So I'm constructing XY line, indicate VP, HP, XY line. So now I'll go to text and remember the times New Roman 3.50. Just mark X and Y and mark VP and mark HP. So let us mark X. This is my X and this is my y, this is my vertical plane, and this is my horizontal plane. So now let us construct an hexagonal lamina, say of size 30 mm. I already explained how to construct the hexagonal lamina. Just go to line and select line thickness is 0.50 because it is visible in the top view. So let us construct hexagonal lamina of side 30 mm. So now I construct a length is 30 and base angle is 0°, and length is 30, base angle is 60 into 1 is 60°. Length is 30, base angle is 60 into 2. So I make 60 into 2. Then length is 30, angle is 60 into 3. Length is 30, angle is 60 into 4. And length is 30, angle is 60 into 5. Just give the length and angles and just press, keep on pressing enter, so you will get the hexagonal lamina. Okay, so now in this portion, side touches both the reference plane, both HP and VP. Therefore, I will keep the edge on HP. Okay, so now go to more option, select this complete lamina, just switch off copy. I will place the lamina like not more option. Sorry, go to rotate. Select this lamina like this. Select this one and I'll tilt like this. I'll tilt at an angle of 90° because we need to show edge on HP. So now I'll select the move and I'll place lamina somewhere here just for my reference. Let's select this lamina and go to more option, just switch off copy and I'll place lamina somewhere here at any convenient distance. Now check the angles and dimensions of the lamina. So this dimension is, it should be 30 and remain the angles are 30°. Angles are, sorry, so interior angles are 60°. So now go for text. So go to text times minimum 3.50. So let us make this is corner A, this is my corner B, this is my corner C, this is my corner D, this is my corner E, and this is my corner F. So now complete this one. This is corner A and this corner B. Let's take this is corner C, my corner D. This is my corner E and this is my corner F. Now draw the projection line, vertical projection line to get different view in the first position. So let us go to line and the line thickness is 0.13. So from corner A, I'm drawing projection line. From corner B, I'm drawing projection line. From corner C, I'm drawing vertical projection line. From corner D, I'm drawing vertical projection line. From corner E, I'm drawing vertical projection line. From corner F, I am drawing vertical projection line. Now draw the front view. So go to line. Line thickness is 0.50. So join this and this, then this and this. Okay. So now go for naming. I'll go to text. I'll go to text and times this is b dash of a dash. So let us take this is b dash of a dash. This is c dash of f dash. This is my c dash of f dash, and this is d dash of e dash. D dash of e dash. So now this is my b dash of a dash. This is my c dash of f dash. This is my d dash of e dash. So I completed the first position. So now let us go to the second portion. So in the second portion, if the laminar makes 60° with HP, means 60° inclination is given with respect to HP. Now I'll tell this front view at an angle of 60° in the second portion. So now I'll go to move option. Copy should be on. Just select this front view, select B dash of A dash and place it on XY line at any convenient distance from the first position. So now go to rotate. Go to rotate. Select the element to rotate. I am selecting this element. Select the center of rotation. I am rotating this element like this. So inclination angle is rotation angle is 60°. Just enter 60°. And remember copy should be off. Just press enter. Okay. Now this is check the angles. So go to angle between this and this and this. It should be 60°, which is given in the problem. So now the next step is just draw the projection lines. So now I'll go to line. From B dash of A dash, draw vertical downward projection lines. So go to line. Line thickness is 0.10. From B dash of A dash, draw vertical projection line. From C dash to F dash, draw vertical projection line. From D dash to C dash, just draw vertical projection line. Now I will draw horizontal projection line. So now in the next position, I'll draw horizontal projection line. So go to line, say from A dash, draw horizontal projection line. From B dash, draw horizontal projection line. From C dash, draw horizontal projection line. From B dash, from E dash, then from F dash, draw horizontal projection line. Now extra lines, I'll trim out the extra lines. These are my extra lines. Now complete this top view in the second portion. So go to line thickness is 0.50. Just draw these projection lines. Just you can zoom and try to complete these projection lines. So now I'll go to line thickness is 0.50. So yeah, this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, this is my D, this is my E, this is my F, and this is my A. Now complete, go for naming. I'll go to text times theorem 3.50. Say this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, this is my D, and this is my E, and this is my F. This is my A, this is my B, and this is my C, this is my D, this is E, and this is F. So I completed the second position. Now let us complete the third portion. So in the third portion, VP inclination is not given, but he says that the side touches both the reference plane. The side touches both the reference plane. So let us take this one and keep edge or side AB on XY line. So that is the condition is given. So now I'll go to more option. I'll go to more option. Copy should be on. Select the top view and pick the point A, corner A, and place on XY line at any convenient distance from the second position. Now go to rotate, and select this complete element, and select corner A will be the center of rotation. Copy should be off, and select another corner B. So this become edge. This edge should be on XY line. See, I am placing like this. This is the given condition. So this is corner A. This is corner B. So edge AB on XY line on VP I'm showing. Okay. So in the next portion, just draw projection lines. You will get the front view in the second position. So now go to line. Just draw the projection lines. See from here to here. Use thin lines. Go to line. Line thickness is 0.10. See from here I am drawing projection line. Then from here I am drawing horizontal projection line. From here I am drawing horizontal projection line. So let us zoom this area to complete the front view. So now go to line. Line thickness is 0.50 because I am constructing a top view. See, this is A dash. Or else you draw the projection line. First, let's draw projection lines from each and every corner. From A dash. From B, I am drawing projection line. From C, just draw projection line. From D, just draw projection line. It will overlap with A. From E, draw projection line. It will overlap with A. Then from F, draw a projection line. 90. Now complete the sketch. So go to line. Thickness is 0.50. See A dash intersection point. This is A dash. Then B dash. This is B dash. Then C dash. See the intersection showing intersection symbol. Now click here. Then D dash. So D dash. Then E dash. Then F and F dash. See showing intersection point. Then A dash. So this completes the front view in the third position. So trim the unwanted lines. I don't want these extra lines. Just trim out. Trim out these extra lines. Now go for naming. So naming is again go to text and times theorem 3.50. Just do A dash and type B dash, then type C dash, type D dash, type B dash and type A dash. So now rearrange these terms. So let's take this is my A dash. Yeah, this is my A dash. This is my B dash. This is my C dash. This is D dash. This is E dash. This is F dash. Now this is the completed problem. So we complete this problem. Hexagonal lamina, edge resting on both the reference plane. Edge resting on both the reference plane. So thank you so much for watching my video.